Today we're running a real estate ad on YouTube in less than 10 minutes. Let's begin. Hey, you time it. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. Question of the day: are you running YouTube ads in your business? Let me know in the comment section down below. Since there are several items that we need to create before we launch the YouTube ad, know that I won't be narrating everything as detailed as I typically do. If you'd like more in-depth training, then be sure to check out my free YouTube Ads Essentials course, or better yet, pick up my YouTube Ads Mastery for real estate leads. We don't have much time, so let's get going. We're gonna create two quick things before we actually launch the YouTube ad. First, we're gonna create an audience, and then second, we're gonna create a conversion. So when we go to the audience, we're gonna go over here to the plus button, go to YouTube users, and choose the people you'd like to include in this audience. What I'm creating here is a retargeting audience, people that have engaged with the channel in some capacity. So we're gonna go 10 min YouTube vid, all right? And check out the options. You can select people who have viewed any video from a channel, viewed certain videos, viewed any video as an ad from a channel, viewed certain videos as ads, subscribed to a channel, and so on and so on. We're on a time constraint, so we're gonna forgo those, me reading those. I highly suggest that you create as many as are pertinent to you, but at bare minimum, I suggest that you create a viewed any video from a channel, viewed any video as an ad from a channel. That way you segment your audience, and then create a subscribe to a channel. The reason I suggest that you go with subscribe to a channel in addition to this is because many channels out there get their views from non-subscribers. Over 50% of their viewership comes from non-subscribers, so it's very important that you subscribe to this channel so you don't become a statistic, but that's the reason of why I suggest that you do that. So we're gonna go with viewed any channel, and then if you have multiple channels linked, you can go there. Pre-filled options, you can go up to 30 days or start from an empty list. Notice that it's 30 days. It's not gonna go retroactive to the moment that you created your YouTube channel, so be aware of that. And the maximum duration of your membership is gonna be 540 days. So we're gonna say, for this audience, I'll just say 30 days. Use that and that, but just know that 540 days is the largest audience that you can create, or as far back as you can go. We're gonna create. All right, now we're gonna go over here to conversion. One quick favor before continuing, please be sure to hit the like button so this video's reach is magnified and others benefit. And then on the website, we're gonna go to lead. So the conversion is gonna help us track creating. After you create your conversion action, you'll get tracking code you'll need to add to your website to start sending conversion data to Google. So as a reminder, conversion is gonna help you keep track of what's converting, which ads are working, and also it's gonna help you optimize in the future. All right, we're gonna use the same value for each conversion. I'm just gonna use $1, that's fine. And we're gonna go with 1, recommended for leads, signups, and other conversions because only the first interaction is valuable. That's what we want. The conversion window is 30 days, that's good. View through conversion is 1 day. Include conversions, yes. Attribution model, great. So what we're doing right now is creating this conversion, and we're gonna install the tag ourselves. Very similar to a Facebook pixel, but here it's called the Google tag. All right, and we're gonna go with the first option. The global site tag isn't included in all of your HTML pages, so we're gonna go with that. We're not gonna do download. We're actually gonna copy. Command C. Go over here to the sales funnel. We're gonna go to the head tracking code. We're gonna paste that there. We're gonna save an update. All right, we're gonna come back here and we're gonna get the event snippet works with the global site tag, which is what we just did, to track actions that should be counted as conversions. And then we're gonna select page load. Add the snippet to the page a customer reaches after completing a conversion. So going back over here, this is the landing page, and they land on this page, on the thank you page, after they've completed that conversion. That's exactly what it's telling us right wherever we were, right here. So we need to add it to this thank you page. We're gonna go to edit the page, we're gonna go to settings, tracking code, and we're gonna paste that. And then we're gonna save. Now we've created our conversion. All right, so we're gonna go to next, done. Go to new campaign. We're gonna go create a campaign without a goals guidance. We're gonna go to video. We're gonna go custom video campaign. There's many options here, but we don't have time to go through that. Not gonna worry about the name. Check out the bidding strategy. You can pay per view, or you can pay per impression. So maximize CPV. With maximum CPV, you set the most you're willing to pay each time your ad is viewed. So that's cost per view. And then CPM, you set the average amount you're willing to pay for every 1,000 times your ad is shown. As you can tell, I can't read that well. So here we go. We're gonna go with CPV, campaign total. We're gonna go with 25 bucks. I'm sorry. We're gonna go with daily total. I don't do campaign total. So we're gonna go daily, $25. Delivery method, we're gonna go with standard. Although, understand that standard is playing the averages of 30 days. So if you have $25, one day you may spend 10, the next day you may spend 40. It's gonna average out over the 30 days. So don't be alarmed when, if there's enough traction there or enough audience there, it's spending up to $40, $50, $60 that first day. Understand that that's gonna be okay. Accelerate it, it's gonna use your budget as quickly as possible. All right, so we're gonna go with standard. Networks, we are only interested in YouTube videos right now. Ads appear on YouTube videos, channel pages, and the YouTube homepage. You can use in-stream and video discovery ads. We are actually going to use in-stream for this particular ad. Languages, we're going to go with English. Locations, we're going to go with, where are we going to go? We're going to enter another location. Let's say Dallas. We're going to go with Dallas. There we go. Actually, we're going to go with Mansfield, because I think the video that I selected for this video is in Mansfield. All right. Inventory type, we're going to go with standard inventory. Select an inventory type to show your ads on the content that's right for your brand. So depending on where you select, what you select, it may show up in content that you may not approve of, so just be cautious of that. Excluded content is going to go away because of the inventory type already covers it. Excluded types, I take out embedded videos and live streams. Additional settings on the conversions, this is a conversion that we just created. Devices, we're not going to exclude any devices. Frequency capping, we are going to cap a few things. Frequency capping, we want at maximum 3 per day in that particular event. And then the cap view, we're going to cap it for 1 per day. Based off of the ad that I'm running, it'll be fine. Ad schedule, not going to worry about that. We're not going to worry about naming it. And now check out everything that you can target based off of demographics: gender, age, parental status, household income. Audiences, this is where we're going to pull out that audience that we just created. And I believe I copied it. No, I did not. All right, so 10 men. All right, there you go. So that's the audience. 10 men YouTube vid, that's the audience we just created. But for you to see it, how to get to it, you go to browse, you go how they interacted with your business, go to YouTube users, and then you find the audience that, and then you find the audience that you created. So we're gonna go back, that's the audience that we want. You can also target based off of what people are looking for right here. So choose terms related to your products and services to target relevant content. And then topics, select topics to show ads on content about specific subjects. And then placements, select your placement targeting. You can go on YouTube channels, YouTube videos, and popular content, and so on and so forth. So we're going to do $1 for bidding. That is overkill for what we're after, but that's fine. We can scale back once we have some ads rolling. We're going to paste the video that we're going to use for the ad, which is a new construction homes in Mansfield. It's a discovery in-stream ad. We're going to come back here to the landing page that we're going to select. Copy that, bring it over. Display URL is going to be fine. Call to action, and we're going to go to new homes, Mansfield. All right. We're going to create the ad. Well, this is how you run a YouTube ad in less than 10 minutes. If you found value in this video, please be sure to subscribe so we can talk again soon.